Welcome to Part 5 of Esri Canada's NG9-1-1 Data Manager Instructional Video Series. In this session, we'll look at how to use the Roads tools. To add a new road, select the Add Road Centerlines tool. In the Settings, make sure Snapping is set appropriately and add a grid if desired. Start drawing the new road on the map. The attribute panel will be displayed, and the first thing to do is add a road name. The road name can be determined by using either the extent or the source feature to locate an existing road. You can also use the master index, but the road name must be in the master index. All of the street name attributes will be populated, and any other attributes can be input or modified. Select Save. To add a street name alias, you must first activate the related table in the Configurator application. Select Road, and then select the street name alias settings. In the drop-down, select Street Name Alias table. Select Save. In the Roads tools, select the Street Name Alias tool, and then select the road. Select Add, and add the alias street name. You can add more than one alias name if needed by selecting Add again. Select Save when completed. Address ranges can be changed with the Update Centerline Address Range tool. Select the tool, and then select a road on the map using one of three selection tools. Select a single feature, draw a line through the feature, or use a lasso. The Editor panel will be displayed. The buffer size can be adjusted to ensure that all parcels or buildings are included in the calculation. Select Update. The address points that will be used are highlighted in red on the left side and green on the right side, and the address range, direction, and parity attributes will be input to their respective fields. If you have selected more than one road, use a navigation arrow to update the next road. If everything is correct, select Save. The Flip Road Centerline tool reverses the digitizing direction of the road segment and changes the left-right designation, direction, and parity fields to match the new digitizing direction. Select the Flip Road Centerline tool and then use one of the three selection methods. Select Flip to flip the digitizing direction. You'll notice the arrows have now changed direction on the road segment. You can select Flip again to reverse the operation. Select Save when complete. Two road segments can be combined into one using the Join Roads tool. The tool will also combine the two sets of address ranges into one address range. Select the Join Roads tool, and then select the first segment. Select the second segment, and the validation rules will be displayed. If everything is correct, they'll be marked with a green checkpoint. All validation rules must pass to complete the join. Select Join. The new road segment extent is displayed, indicating that there is one road segment, and the address ranges have been adjusted for the length of the new road segment. Select Save. Note that the Flip Road and Join Road tools could result in changes to the road attributes, such as address ranges, that may not be compatible with NG9-1-1 requirements. Use with care. One road segment can be split into two segments with two separate address ranges using the Split Road tool. Select the tool, click on the road segment, and select one of the three snapping options. Split at point along the road, at a vertex, or at an intersection. Select the location for the split, and select Split. The Editor panel appears with three road segments, the original road segment and the two new road segments. The tool recalculates the address ranges for each new road segment, and the search buffer can be adjusted for each new section to recalculate ranges if necessary. If the address ranges are correct, select Save. A road can be renamed with the Rename Road tool. The new name must be in the master street index. Select the tool and then select the road. The municipality filter is used to populate the municipality field. If there is an A3 polygon, the municipal name will be extracted from the polygon feature. If there is no A3 polygon, use Select by Attribute which will use the road jurisdiction or a custom field to find the municipality name. In the Rename To field, enter the street name and select the new street name. All of the affected road center lines and the site address points will be listed. Select Save. The Select an Existing Feature tool can be used to select a road and modify its geometry and/or attributes. To modify geometry, use the Single Feature selection and select the road. The attribute panel will be displayed, and the road will have a rectangle around its extent. To move the road, place the cursor within the rectangle and click. The 4-arrow cursor is displayed, and holding down the left mouse button allows the whole road to be moved. Clicking once will display all the vertices so that you can change any of the vertices individually. The status of a road can be changed using the Update Status tool. Select the road. The status table will be displayed, and the status can be changed by selecting one of the status attributes. After the change, select Save. Up next is Part 6, adding images, using grids, and using the tie point service.